going to go over the ELISA test, which is part of the AQA Biology A-level specification. Okay, so we'll start off with what is ELISA testing. It's a medical diagnosis tool that uses monoclonal antibodies. The reason that we use these monoclonal antibodies are due to the fact that they're quick and reliable. Okay, so one of the examples on the specification is HIV testing, and I'll just take you through the process. Okay, so in the first step, HIV antigens are attached to the plate or the well. Remember, these antigens are specific and they will only bind to a certain antibody. Okay, so then the patient's blood is added to the plate. Okay, so then we move on to stage 2, and the patient's blood has been added, so if HIV is present, or they are HIV positive, then they will have monoclonal antibodies that are complementary to the HIV antigen. Okay, so then these antibodies will bind to the antigens. The plate then has to be washed, and this is to remove any unattached antibodies. Okay, so next we move on to stage 3. In stage 3, another molecule, another monoclonal antibody with an enzyme is injected into the plate. So this monoclonal antibody with the enzyme will only attach if the HIV antibodies are present. Therefore, they'll only attach if the person is HIV positive. Okay, so once the antibodies or monoclonal antibodies have attached, the plate is washed again. This will remove the unbound antibodies. We need to do this because otherwise the test will always give a positive result even when the HIV antibodies aren't present. Okay, so the next stage 4, a colourless substrate is added to the plate. This is when we see the reaction. If the enzyme is present, the colourless substrate will turn into a coloured molecule. If there's no enzyme antibody, then the molecule will stay colourless. So in this case there was the monoclonal antibody for HIV present, which means they're HIV positive, and so we observe a colour change. And that's basically ELISA testing. So thanks for watching, I hope it sort of helped, and good luck with your biology exam.